Looking for a laptop that won't crush your budget, but can still handle everything from research papers to Netflix marathons? You're in the right place. With prices dropping, like over $100 off a brand new MacBook Air, it's the perfect time to upgrade your setup. Whether you're heading to campus or learning from home, these picks strike the perfect balance between performance, portability, and student-friendly pricing. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. Acer Chromebook Spin. Number 5 on the list brings a strong blend of portability, performance, and practicality, ideal for students who split their time between the classroom, coffee shops, and dorm life. With its 14-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS touch display, it offers a bit more vertical screen space than standard 1080p panels, which makes reading documents or scrolling through lecture notes more comfortable. The touchscreen adds a layer of flexibility, especially useful for those who like to interact directly with the screen during presentations or creative work. Under the hood, the Intel Core i5-1235U from the Intel Evo platform delivers enough power for multitasking, running web apps, or video conferencing without stutters. Paired with 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD, it handles Chrome OS tasks with ease and boots up in seconds, perfect for quick note-taking between classes. Plus, thanks to Wi-Fi 6E, students can enjoy faster and more stable internet connections, even on crowded school networks. Another big win is the 1080pf HDMI webcam, which is a step up from the grainy cams found in most budget laptops. It's especially useful for Zoom lectures or virtual study groups. The backlit keyboard adds a thoughtful touch for late-night study sessions, and the overall design is both durable and lightweight, easily slipping into a backpack. Compared to other student-focused laptops, it may lack full compatibility with legacy desktop apps since it's Chrome OS-based, which might be a downside for students who rely on specialized Windows software. But for those primarily using Google Workspace or web-based tools, this is a smart and reliable pick that nails the basics with style. Number 4. ASUS Zenbook 14. Zenbook steps things up with a sleek, ultra-modern design and a performance boost that's hard to ignore, especially for students looking for a Windows-based machine that can keep up with demanding tasks. Its standout feature is the stunning 14-inch OLED touch display. With vivid colors, deep blacks, and a crisp resolution, it's a dream for students studying graphic design, media, or anything that involves hours of screen time. The touchscreen functionality also makes navigation more intuitive and creative workflows more fluid. At its core, this model runs on the Intel Ultra 5 processor with 14 cores, outperforming even some i7 chips like the 1370P. That means smoother multitasking, whether you're running multiple tabs, editing media projects, or juggling school apps and entertainment. The 8GB of RAM and 512GB PCIe SSD strike a good balance between speed and storage, giving students quick access to files and enough space for coursework, downloads, and apps. Connectivity is another strong suit here. With 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and an FHD-IR webcam that supports facial recognition, this device is built for a connected, secure, and efficient campus life. It's also prepped for AI-enhanced features thanks to its next-gen architecture, future-proofing it a bit more than some lower-ranked Chromebooks. Compared to the previous model, this one offers more raw power and a far more vivid display. But it also comes with a higher price tag and slightly less battery efficiency under heavy loads. Still, for students who want a versatile, stylish, and powerful Windows laptop that can handle everything from research to rendering, this is a compelling step up. Number 3. ASUS VivoBook 16. Landing solidly in the middle of the list is a laptop that balances large screen productivity with dependable performance, perfect for students who crave more workspace without breaking the bank. With its expansive 16-inch display in a 16:10 aspect ratio, this model offers more vertical real estate than typical widescreens, making it easier to view spreadsheets, research articles, or lecture slides side by side. It's a noticeable upgrade in screen size compared to the more compact 14-inch options earlier on the list, making it ideal for multitaskers and visual learners. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor and Radeon integrated graphics, it provides smooth day-to-day day-to-day performance, handling typical student workloads like word processing, web browsing, and light content creation without a hitch. The 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD deliver respectable speed and storage for a student's digital life, from saving class projects to streaming during downtime. A few thoughtful extras set this one apart, including a fingerprint sensor for quick logins and added security, as well as a sleek indie black finish that gives it a modern, understated look. Windows 11 Home keeps the software experience familiar and user-friendly, while also supporting future productivity tools and updates. Compared to the previous Zenbook, this model trades in some premium features, like OLED display and Thunderbolt ports. For a larger screen and lower price point, it's a great option for students who value screen space and solid all-around performance over ultra-thin aesthetics or cutting-edge specs. For just over $600, it punches above its weight without stretching your budget too far. Number 2, Acer Swift Go 14. Next up is a standout choice for students who want top-tier speed and cutting-edge features packed into a slim, portable design. This 14-inch model delivers a sharp 1920 by 1200 resolution with touchscreen functionality, making it both practical for productivity and intuitive for hands-on use. The taller 16:10 aspect ratio continues the trend of offering more screen space for reading, editing, and working across multiple apps, a real plus for academic multitaskers. Where this laptop truly separates itself is under the hood. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, part of Intel's next-gen Evo platform, and backed by Intel ARC graphics. Whether you're working on coding assignments, editing video for a class project, or running AI-driven tools, this setup handles it all with surprising ease. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it brings significantly more headroom for demanding tasks compared to earlier entries in the list. One of the most future-ready aspects is its AI optimization. Built to unlock AI-enhanced experiences, it's ready for emerging student tools in productivity, creativity, and communication, helping users stay ahead of the curve in both studies and digital life. And despite all this power, it keeps things light and travel-friendly, ideal for students who are constantly on the move. Compared to the previous VivoBook, this model doubles the RAM and adds a far more capable processor, which is a game-changer for students needing high performance in a portable form factor. While the price is a bit steeper at $789, the combination of power, speed, and AI readiness justifies the cost for anyone looking for a laptop that won't need upgrading anytime soon. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air 13. Topping the list is a device that blends elegance, efficiency, and forward-thinking technology in a way that few student laptops can. Designed around Apple's new M4 chip, this 13.6-inch model isn't just about sleek looks. It's about blazing fast performance that stays cool and quiet, even during long study sessions or back-to-back Zoom calls. The Liquid Retina display is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp detail that make everything from PDFs to videos look incredibly crisp. And thanks to the new sky blue finish, it also stands out in the lecture hall, for all the right reasons. The 16 GB of unified memory means smoother multitasking across macOS and Apple's ecosystem, whether you're editing video in Final Cut, jumping between research tabs in Safari, or working on group projects in Pages. The 256 GB SSD ensures fast boot times and quick file access, and for students who lean into cloud storage, this capacity is more than enough. One of its smartest features is the 12-megapixel center stage camera, which automatically keeps you in frame during video calls, a subtle but welcome boost for online classes or virtual study groups. Touch ID adds convenience and security with one-tap logins, and like other Apple products, it offers seamless integration with iPhones, iPads, and AirPods, making it perfect for students already in the Apple ecosystem. Compared to the previous models, this one doesn't just offer more power, it delivers a whole different level of user experience. While the Swift Go 14 might edge ahead on raw AI-related specs, the MacBook Air holds its ground with unmatched build quality, battery life, and long-term software support. At $891.50 after discount, it's still a premium investment, but with over 10,000 units sold last month alone, it's clear that many students see it as one worth making. Found the right one for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tech picks made just for students.